Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the Shopify marketing and looking through the different effective ways for a successful online store. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So as some of you might know, Shopify is a very popular e-commerce platform, and it's a platform that allows businesses to create and manage their own stores online. Now, of course, as well as an online presence, you're promoting that business. So you would need to have a effective marketing tactic. And of course, that's crucial for the success of any sort of online store. And of course, there are several ways to market your Shopify store. So what we'll do in this video is we'll go through a rundown of some of the different types of marketing in order to actually promote your business. So what exactly is marketing? So marketing is that type of process for creation, like sort of promotion, distribution of products and services, and more importantly, giving the satisfactory needs for a customer. Now, there are quite a lot of different types of things that's involved with marketing, and this includes market research, you've got product development, advertising, you've got branding, pricing and sales. Now, of course, it will work differently towards online marketing. Whether you're promoting that business, there will be different tactics to do so. Of course, that overall aim for marketing anyway is just to create a strong brand identity, and you'll be building customer loyalty, developing that strong brand, and of course building your relationships with customers. This means business can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a loyal customer base. So the one that is highly used the most is of course social media marketing. Now you can use different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any sort of social media platforms that like TikTok as well. That's a great area for promoting and engaging with the younger audience. Now you could use it to promote your products. It could be digital or physical products, and you could also use it to engage with your customers, answer some questions. There's a couple of those as well. Now you can use social media as well to run some ads, create engaging content, and of course promote products to your followers. Now, for those who don't know, Kappa actually uses one of the templates of the Shopify themes, and I do believe it's called the Impulse theme. So they're the ones that use this sort of branding. Of course, there's how the website looks. Now, this is overall what the website looks. As I've said, they would also have social media. Now, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of their social media marketings. So of course, by the looks of things, they would be using their Instagram or any sort of form of social media in order to promote products. So go ahead and take a look at this one. So there's Kappa there. You can see that they're linked to the actual store as well. So this is the story here. And then this is their promotion. Of course, they have influencers as well. So that's one of the forms of social media that they have. Of course, they would have Twitter as well. So as you can see, there's Kappa UK and Ireland. They've got Kappa. So this one's the official Kappa, I do believe. Oh, maybe not this one. More probably this one for the footwear. So just like that, as you can see. So they're using social media to promote their business and linking the store as well. So of course, that's just one of the examples, that brand Kappa. Of course, other brands do it as well, like Nike, Adidas, or it's not just to do with the clothing brand, of course, any other form of social media. We do it as well. We've got our own Facebook, YouTube channel. We've got Instagram as well. just to promote some of our businesses. So works the same way. Another one would be email marketing. Now you can build an email list and use an email marketing tactic or tool to stay in touch with your customers. You can promote new products. You can offer discounts and special offers. Now this would only occur if they applied to a newsletter or they gave you their email, things like that. And of course, there are actually apps to upsell and promote email marketing. So here's a couple there. There's one there that's called Upsell Pop-ups Email Marketing. So that's got a free plan. We'll dive into this one. Take a look at it. They've also got a view demo store area there. So you can go ahead and take a look at what they have in store. But that's pretty much it with the email marketing, as you can see. So you're able to forward the exact same email to multiple customers, and it's a very, very handy tool to have, especially if you want to, as I said, promote new products or offer discounts and of course special offers. Next biggest one would be influencer marketing. Now, of course, if you partner up with influencers or people that are well known, you could pretty much promote your product or try to gain pretty much the followers of your influencer. So that's a way of doing it. Now you can reach a wider audience by doing this and build trust with potential customers. Now of course, if an influencer is pushing to promote that particular product or item, that encourages some of the followers to of course dive into that product. Of course, you guys may all know the new one there, which is Prime. So a load of people would be the two influencers there is KSI and Logan. Now of course they're the ones that are promoting their own drink, and they're able to influence a lot of their followers to go ahead and buy that drink. Now you can see the prices for them as well, so it's quite a fair price. Now if you're like a business as well that wants to maybe offer something for free for an influencer just to promote that product, then you can go ahead and do that. Of course, you've got that risk as well that they might not do it, but you'll get that risk as well, or rewarding risk, if you get more followers through the promotion of influencer marketing. Our next one there would be more to do with content marketing. And of course, that's just making sure that you create high quality content that's more relevant to your audience and of course promote your products. This would be more to do with blog posts, and that's really good for SEO as well. So that's a great way to promote your business. And of course you've got videos as well and infographics. So quite a good amount of that in terms of promoting your business. Now just so you guys have an idea of the blog post, so we'll go ahead and check out our website. So this is the ProfileTree website. Now of course if I go on blog, you can see some of our multiple blogs that we would go through. Now it's not just of course just relating to what we offer. There's a couple of different blog posts there for reaching keywords. Now keywords is the biggest factor in order to promote the business. So as you can see, there's one there called 5 social media business statistics you need to check regularly to perfect your strategy. So of course there's going to be a couple of keywords there that people search up on the search engine console, and then you'll have this article pop up. Next would be the pay per click. So you'll probably see that acronym as PPC advertising, and you would use paid advertising to drive your traffic to your store. Now this would be like Google ads, YouTube ads as well, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, anything in that particular way. Now on another note as well, you could use this tactic to reverse it. So just say that you offer advertisement on your website. So that's a way for you to gain some revenue as well, and to gain pretty much just gain some revenue and recognition. So if you promote other businesses within your website, of course, that'll push to having some revenue on your side, and then maybe you could use the revenue that you've received for promoting advertisements within your business to pushing other ads like billboards. You could do billboards as well if you wanted to, depending on how much you really want to spend. It's all depending on the actual budget. So as I said, there's a couple of different ones there, Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. Now, most of you may know this, but it is called referral marketing. Now, this is where you as a business would offer discounts or incentives to customers who refer their friends to your store. Now, that means as well as getting one customer, you're getting that customer to ask their friend if they can buy something so they can get £10 or like £10 off or any sort of discount or anything for free. So of course that would be a great way to help increase your customer base and build loyalty with your existing customers or new customers. But folks, that is pretty much it. Now, if you follow these strategies, these different marketing strategies, and use even a combination of them, you can effectively promote your Shopify store and grow your business. Of course, feel free to use other tactics as well. These aren't all of them for marketing. There will be other ones out there as well. So try to do some research on it and see if you can find any more different tactics. As well as that, do let us know in the comment section as well if you do find any more tactics. Or, of course, if we missed anything out, again, leave them in the comment section below. But anyways, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and good luck with your Shopify store. I'll see you guys for the next video.